Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to install Instagram on OnePlus Nord 5. Let's begin. And we can begin by simply heading into our Play Store. Now, we want to go into search, but note that if you are not logged in into your Google account, you won't be able to do that. If you are struggling with adding a Google account onto your device, I would strongly advise you to watch our tutorial on how to add the Google account onto OnePlus Nord 5. Anyway, after you have done that, you can now follow up and enter search bar. Inside search bar, you want to simply head and type in Instagram. As you can see, by default we probably see some sort of sponsored ad or sponsored application that is not our videogram. So instead, you want to simply find in a real Instagram, usually made by a developer from the Instagram itself. And now we want to simply hit install. If you're struggling with actually identifying correct Instagram, you can also check for example, amounts of downloads, which are 5 billion, which is quite a lot. Anyway, after the app is downloaded and installed, we can now open it. We can log in into our Google account or Meta account really, and then you have the ability to endlessly doom scroll through whatever you want. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.